Alright guys, so I'm going to start with freshly washed, blow dried and conditioned hair, and the first thing I'm going to do is put a part down the middle of my head, and then I'm going to go ahead and section that front half off from ear to ear. So I'm going to clip the back away just to get it out of the way. Oh my gosh, I'm taking a karaoke break. Comment down below if you can tell what song I was singing. But anyway, after I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and part down next to the side of the middle part, and I'm going to clip everything else away. So I'm doing this because I want to be able to have a middle part and side parts. So first what I did, like you saw, was part down the middle, and now I'm just braiding individuals along the side of this middle part. And once I'm done doing these 4 individuals, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the part. As you see, it looks like this, and then I did the same thing so that I could have 2 parts on the side as well. So now that I'm done with that, I'm taking the hair that's left in between these individuals and splitting that into 2. Then I'm just going to go ahead and cornrow that hair that was left out into these little individual braids that I already braided. And then of course I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other half of the hair that was left out and some of those individuals for my side part. So once I'm done with that, I am going to then go ahead and part off these 3 sections on the side, and I'm parting them in an upward motion because I want to have the illusion of individuals all the way around my hair. So instead of just braiding straight back, I'm braiding in an upward motion so that I can wear it into a ponytail as well. And then on this last section, just braiding those individuals in with the loose hair. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side as well, and this is what it's looking like. So now the next step is going to be to section off the back of the perimeter of my hair. So I'm just going around from ear to ear in this little U shape, and then I'm going to braid individuals all around this back section as well, and this will just ensure that I'm able to put my hair up into a ponytail with it still looking like individuals. So now to the easy cornrows, I'm just parting from side to side, and I'm just going to braid. I'm sorry for like the first 3 braids, you couldn't really see what I was doing, but as I get lower and lower, you'll be able to see. So I'm just parting from ear to ear and then braiding from left to right and then back from right to left, like the shape of an S or a snake. So this part is probably, no, it's definitely the quickest part, the easiest part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid back and forth until I get all the way down to the bottom. And now that I'm on the last section, I'm going to again braid this loose hair and connect in those individuals from the back and just braid all the way down to the end. Then all that's left to do is crochet this loose end up under the rest of your braids, and that's literally it, you guys. You have an individual crochet braid pattern. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you so much. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.